Today I'm bringing you a beautiful travel journal, and the digitals I used in this one is April Storm's Gilded Hearts of Paris. It is a 3 signature journal, soft cover, and I've kept it very unembellished because the owner of this will be putting all their trip information in it. So some of the postcards from the kit. There's a little scrappy notebook there. There's a pocket here with a couple of the cards. I put clusters down the side for different tabs. And I put a lot of blank pieces of paper in it for, that note you need to take and pass on to someone, or your grocery list. So it has my typical papers in it, like I always do, lots of extra paper, writing papers. So this is the travel part. I'll just go over what I like to put in my journals and when I go traveling. So it has the date, weather, planned highlights, what's our expectations of today, what we why we decided to add this place to our itinerary, culture and local customs that we experienced, what we did to energize us or drain our energy, what we learned today, and facts about the destination, our unplanned surprise, wildlife, what I'm most grateful for today, my favorite memory, how I'm feeling today, food and shopping, and then expenses, and then my step count. And then here are notes, the photos taken for when I come home and scrapbook the event or the trip, and then a shopping list. So this would be day 2, and then shopping list and to-do list, wish list. So if we've done some research that we hadn't already planned, I could put it there. And then that's day 3. So I think in here there's enough for at least a 2-week, maybe even 3-week trip, or 3 short trips. This is a little paper clip that I made, and I just have the journal card in there. And in all the pockets I have these little cards that have little trip things on it. That's a Dear Julie one that I had in my stash. So it does have pictures of the Paris from her kit, but again, you could use this, take this anywhere. Some more of those people we meet and contacts, I like putting those in there as well, because if you take down their phone number, you don't want to lose it from a little piece of paper. The greeting or the card, I like to put these in the journals for the end of the if you went on a excursion, you want to give a tip, or if you were on a trip like a bus tour, then that's for the bus driver or the tour guide. Another second signature is almost the same. I have another card in there, thank you card. Put a few things in there. Some more of my pages that I printed up. So each section has a grouping of the pages. And then some more of the cards. And if you purchase this journal later and you're looking at it, you can, all of these pockets, just take out this stuff and fill it full of your own ephemera. This is the 3rd signature. Once again, kind of the same idea of the papers, and another section of the trip pages, and then we have some more little pieces of ephemera, just for fun, and some more of the pages. So that is the journal, and like I said, it could probably do at least a month long, if not 3 weeks anyway. Oh, one of the other things I like to include in the journals is the photo bingo. So this is the photo bingo. it's in the back. Alright, that is the journal. Thanks for watching, and thanks April for the beautiful kit. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.